Hi everyone, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have prepared for you a recipe for fantastic buns filled with poppy seed, chocolate and crunchy walnuts. That's why for your next movie night, just grab your hot cocoa or milk and these wonderful homemade delicious rolls. Warm up the milk and combine together with fresh yeast. You can substitute with dry and sugar. Mix well, cover and set aside for 15 to 20 minutes. The mixture should foaming and bubbling up. In the mixing bowl, sift flour. And now, the rest of the ingredients. Add salt, sugar, eggs, ready yeast, and melted butter. Using stand mixer, combine all ingredients, create bowl. Transfer the saggy dough into a lightly floured surface and start kneading until smooth and elastic. Should be soft as possible. If it's too loose and too much sticky, you can always add more flour. Ready dough shouldn't stick to your hands. Then you will transfer to a clean bowl drizzled with olive oil. Cover with a clean kitchen towel and let it rise for 1 hour. And during this time, you can prepare the ingredients for the filling. You need poppy seed filling, which you can find in any grocery stores on the baking section aisle. I purchased mine with roasted walnuts. And for this recipe, you need 300 grams. To create more flavorful and rich filling, I added chocolate, walnuts, and cranberries. Make sure to mix them well to combine all the ingredients together. And the filling is done! My ready dough looks amazing. Punch the dough in the center and return to lightly floured surface. Start kneading for a few minutes to release any air bubbles. Flatten dough with a rolling pin and create a rectangle shape. Now, time for the filling. Spoon the poppy seed filling, then use a spatula to spread the filling evenly. Start from the long side to the other. Fold the edges over the filling, just like that. And gently roll to a roulade shape. Cut the rolling pin into slices approximately 1 to 2 inch thick. You should end up with 12, maybe 13 pieces. To create this fun design of your buns, engage each piece of the dough on the narrow side with a wooden spoon, just like that. And place them on the baking tray lined with parchment paper. You just need to give space between them, they will still rise. Repeat with the rest of the dough. Just cover and set aside in a warm place until they plump, for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. My first batch of rolls is ready, they double in size. Now, just to create this beautiful golden look, brush each roll with an egg. Bake them in preheated oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. To create white glaze is very easy and quick. You just need to combine powdered sugar, and it's up to you. You can use water, lemon, or even orange juice. Mix until thick but still runny paste. And these beauties just make my day. Nothing tastes better than homemade, still warm rolls. Just drizzle with the glaze and sprinkle with walnuts. Now, time for the movie. Maybe you can recommend me something interesting and fun. Just let me know below. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun recipe. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. This way you won't miss my next recipe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!